Generating music using AI has become increasingly popular over the past several years. Several methodologies and tools have been developed for this purpose. Here's a broad overview of the process. Understanding music representation. Before generating music, you need to understand how music can be represented in a form understandable by computers. Common representations include MIDI, which represents musical notes as discrete events, and waveforms, which capture the audio signal directly. Choosing a model. Various AI models can be used to generate music. Recurrent neural networks, RNNs, especially long short-term memory, LSTM, networks, have been popular choices because of their ability to capture temporal sequences. Other models like transformer-based models, e.g., OpenAI's MuseNet, and Generative Adversarial Networks, GANs, can also be used. Dataset. You need a dataset to train your AI model. The quality and size of the dataset are important for the success of the model. For music, datasets might include collections of MIDI files or audio files in a specific genre or style. Training. Once you've chosen a model and have a dataset, you can start the training process. This involves feeding your dataset into the model and adjusting the model's parameters to minimize the difference between its predictions and the actual data. Evaluation. After training, you should evaluate the performance of your model. This can be done by listening to the generated music and assessing its quality. Sampling and generation. After training, you can use the model to generate new music pieces. This often involves providing a seed or initial sequence and letting the model generate subsequent notes or sounds. Post-processing. AI-generated music might require some post-processing to polish or refine. This can be done using digital audio workstations, DAWs, or other audio editing software. Fine-tuning and iteration. Based on the results, you can iterate over the model, refine your training dataset, adjust hyperparameters to improve the quality of the generated music. Tools and frameworks. Magenta, an open-source research project by Google, exploring the role of machine learning in the creative process. OpenAI's MuseNet, a deep learning model that can generate music in various styles. DeepJ, a deep learning model for generating jazz music. TensorFlow and PyTorch, general-purpose deep learning frameworks that can be used to build custom models for music generation.